Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking down essentials. Confirm your footage is high frame rate and generate a velocity pass if available, because blur needs motion vectors. Once done, create a dedicated motion blur layer or enable your software's shutter angle control and set a 180 degrees baseline. This gives a natural amount of smear. Make sure to mask any static elements or track objects you want excluded. You're now ready to apply a first pass blur to the moving elements and preview at 50% playback to check direction and strength. Now dive into refinement. Use the velocity map to drive per pixel blur so fast areas get more smear while slow regions remain sharp. At the same time, tweak shutter angle and sample count. Larger angles increase blur. More samples reduce artifacts but cost render time. Once you adjust blur scale, apply temporal smoothing or subframe interpolation to remove strobing and keep motion coherent. Make sure to preview at full resolution on short loops. This helps you catch edge tearing or haloing before final render. Finish by compositing the blurred pass back over the original with edge-aware blending to preserve fine details and avoid soft halos. You should feather masks and add subtle grain to match sensor noise so the blur reads naturally in camera. Once done, render a short high-quality test clip and inspect edges and semi-transparent areas. If you see ghosting or streaks, increase sample count, recalculate motion vectors, or reduce temporal interpolation strength. These fixes usually eliminate artifacts while keeping the motion believable and consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.